Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you how to sell textbook online. This is my textbook that I've got from my friend and someone else. You want to know how to sell the textbook online? I recommend download the app or go to the website. How to sell textbook, but there are many good and bad websites. Maybe it's hard to believe, so I will give you one. Okay, over here I recommend go to I hope the camera can see it. It's called BookScouter. This the app that can check which book can be sold. Okay, BookScouter, I hope you can see it. You can see, you can type in the ISBN or scan barcode. Okay, then pick any book that you want. Example, this book. When you scan the barcode behind, see, it will tell the company which book that can be sold. You can see, right, the price. You can see the highest one and the lowest one. How about another one? Like this book is a new book. Scan another one. See, this book can be sold everywhere. But after that, you find that you see the company that you want to sell, then download the app, or you can go to the website that you have the app and make sure it's not a scam, and make sure when you sell textbook you don't need to pay anything. Okay, example, book run. When you download the app and you believe that, scan again. See, it tells the price to you to sell, then add to cart, and make sure when you check out some app, it have a minimum $7 to sell. That means you have to combine the total textbook to get a minimum $7. Some company minimum at $10 to sell the textbook. You can see, you can pick like new, very good, acceptable, then check out. It have the app a lot. My favorite is a Sell Back Your Book and Book Run. That's the best app that I can use for sale. If you have any question or the best app to sell a textbook, this one I confirm it's good to sell. And make sure some textbook it cannot be sold. Let me see which one. Okay, like this one, Human Anatomy. Some textbook it cannot sell because it may be owned, or maybe example like this one. See, no one trading, no one buy it. Some textbook can be sold, some textbook cannot be sold. Just be careful. If it cannot be sold, you can donate to a Goodwill or the library. That's the best option. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.